Hello, in this video we will be looking at how to embed an existing YouTube video into a Word document. So you'll have your Word document with your text that you've already created. We'll go ahead and need to save that. So I'll save this to my desktop. Then what we'll need to do is find the YouTube video that you would like to embed. When you find the YouTube video, you'll see in your navigation bar, you'll see a youtube.com/watch, and then you'll have the link to your particular video. So I'm going to copy this link. Now what I need to do is open PowerPoint. So I'll open PowerPoint. With PowerPoint open, you want to make sure that you have the developer tab in your ribbon. If you do not have this by default, just go into options and customize ribbon and just make sure that the developer tab is shown. So with the developer tab, first we'll add one extra slide. I typically like to get rid of these extra placeholders because we will not be using them. So on slide 2, I go to the more controls and navigate down to Shockwave flash object. Hit OK. Your cursor becomes crosshairs. I'll typically use the entire frame, but for this demonstration, I'll leave some space so you can see that your video is sized to however big you size your crosshairs. So I have this frame now. I'll just right click in the white area here and go to Properties. You'll see a dialog box display, and there is a field in here called Movie. So in the field called Movie, you'll go in here and you'll paste in your YouTube link to the video that already exists. We need to make a few modifications. So we need to take out the watch question mark and then this equal sign, remove it and replace it with a /. So now there's just a youtube.com/d/ and then that will be the unique identifier for the video that we wish to play. So all you have to do is close this. There are some other controls in here if you'd like to make it start automatically or loop, these different things. But for what we're doing, we'll just go ahead and close. Now this first slide, this is used if you want to take a screenshot of the of whatever's on the screen. So I have a couple of different applications running, so it's not cooperating on that. But you would take a screenshot of whatever you wanted to show, and you could resize this. We'll just do this for now. And then you'll want to save this presentation. So I'll save this to my desktop. EX, I'll just call this. Save. Then go ahead and close this file. Now we go back to our Word document. Go to Insert in the ribbon. We go to Object right here. Create from File. Browse. And now we want to locate the file that we created. So ex.pptx is the name of our file. So just go ahead and click OK. And you should be able to see the file now. If you wanted to give the users additional instructions to double click this file to play, you could do that. But I'll go ahead and save this one more time. And now I have this embedded in my Word document. If I double click this file, it will open up my PowerPoint presentation as long as the computer that you're viewing this presentation has PowerPoint. And so it starts on my first slide. I'll click one time, and then you'll see the video is displayed, so we could play the video at this point. So I'm just using one of the previous videos that I've created. Hello, and thank you for. So that's it, and that gives you a tutorial of how to embed an existing YouTube into a Word document, as well as how to embed the existing video into a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So thank you for your time, and I hope you found this presentation useful. Thanks.